Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiola Khan 92. Today my video is about how to check the ampere of split AC. This is LG split air conditioner 24,000 BTU. It's 24,000 means it was 2 ton capacity AC. So we will check this one. This is the nameplate of our outdoor, and the total current ampere is 12 ampere. It means when it was running it will take 12 ampere normally. So we will check now how much ampere is taken by this unit. So let's see, we'll check this how much. You can see here the amperes are coming 12.7. It means it was more than given ampere of the AC. It should be take 12 ampere. Up to 12 ampere it will be work normally, but why it was taking 12.7 ampere? Because this is on the neutral line. The second one is neutral line. This is neutral line, so it was taking 12.7 ampere with the fan motor ampere all coming together with this one. That's why taking 12.7 ampere. If you want to actual ampere of compressor only, you have to check the line. On the line amperes are coming. Before it was 12.7, but now it was, you can see 12.1, 12 like this. So the actual ampere of this unit is 12. So it was 12.1, 12.2. So it is normal. And if you want to check the indoor ampere, you can see here indoor motor ampere how much coming. It's 0.6, 0.7 like this. This is the indoor ampere. So it's all about, it's a very important point how to check your compressor ampere on complete unit. On the line coming only the compressor ampere. On the neutral it will show us the compressor ampere and the complete unit and together with the motor ampere. So today it's all about how to check the ampere of the unit. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiola Khan 92. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.